Respiration is the biological process by which humans take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide to produce energy. Types of respiration. External respiration. Exchange of gases between lungs and blood. Internal respiration. Exchange of gases between blood and body cells. Cellular respiration. Breakdown of glucose in cells to release energy. C6H12O6 plus 6O2, 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus energy, 38 ATP. Organs of the respiratory system. Nose filters, warms, and moistens air. Pharynx a passage for air. Larynx voice box. Trachea windpipe carries air to lungs. Bronchi to tubes entering lungs. Bronchioles smaller branches in lungs. Alveoli tiny air sacs where gas exchange occurs. Lungs main organs of respiration. Mechanism of breathing. Inhalation inspiration. Rib cage expands. Diaphragm moves down. Air enters lungs, rich in oxygen. Exhalation expiration. Rib cage contracts. Diaphragm moves up. Air leaves lungs, rich in carbon dioxide. Gas exchange occurs in alveoli. Oxygen enters blood. Carbon dioxide is removed from blood. The blood circulatory system is the system in which the heart pumps blood to all parts of the body through blood vessels.
2.
Main parts. Heart. Blood vessels. *** blood.
3.
Heart. A muscular organ located in the chest. Pumps blood continuously. Has 4 chambers. Right atrium. Right ventricle. Left atrium. Left ventricle. Beats about 72 times per minute, average.
4.
Blood vessels. There are 3 types. Arteries. Carry oxygenated blood away from the heart. Thick walls. Veins. Carry deoxygenated blood towards the heart. Have valves to prevent backflow. Capillaries. Thin, tiny vessels. Exchange of gases and nutrients occurs here.
5.
Blood. Blood contains RBC, red blood cells, carry oxygen using hemoglobin. WBC, white blood cells, fight diseases. Platelets help in blood clotting. Plasma, liquid part carrying nutrients and wastes.
6.
Pulse. Beats felt in arteries. Normal pulse rate, 72 beats per minute, approx.
7.
Circulation. 2 types. Pulmonary circulation. Heart-lungs heart. Exchange of gases takes place. Systemic circulation. Heart all body parts heart. Supplies oxygen and nutrients.
8.
Function of the circulatory system. Transport oxygen and nutrients. Remove carbon dioxide and wastes. Protect against infections. Regulate body temperature.
9.
Blood pressure. Pressure of blood on artery walls. Normal 120 by 80 mmHg. What is blood? Blood is a red-colored fluid connective tissue that flows through blood vessels and transports materials throughout the body. Main functions of blood. Blood performs these important tasks. Carries oxygen from lungs to body parts. Transports carbon dioxide back to the lungs. Carries digested food from intestine to cells. Transports hormones and enzymes. Helps to fight diseases. Helps in blood clotting to stop bleeding. Maintains body temperature. Components of blood. Blood has 4 main components.
1.
Plasma. Yellow-colored liquid, 55% of blood. Contains water, proteins, minerals, hormones, waste materials. It transports nutrients, wastes, and chemicals.
2.
Red blood cells, RBC. Also called erythrocytes. Contain hemoglobin, red pigment. Transport oxygen. Disc-shaped. Lifespan 120 days. Produced in bone marrow.
3.
White blood cells, WBC. Also called leukocytes. Protects the body against infections. Larger but fewer in number. Types. Lymphocytes. Neutrophils. Monocytes. Lifespan, few days to weeks.
4.
Platelets. Help in blood clotting. Prevent excess bleeding from wounds. Very small cell fragments. Lifespan 7 to 10 days. Blood groups. There are 4 main blood groups. A, B, AB.
A.
O group is a universal donor. AB group is a universal recipient. Rh factor. Rh plus, Rh positive. Rh negative. Important in blood transfusion. Characteristics of blood. Volume 4 to 5 liters, adult. pH 7.4. Temperature slightly higher than body temperature. Hemoglobin. Iron containing red pigment in RBCs. Carries oxygen. Higher hemoglobin is equal to good health. Low hemoglobin is equal to anemia. Blood vessels. Blood flows through. Arteries carry blood away from heart. Veins carry blood to heart. Capillaries exchange gases and nutrients. Blood circulation. Two types. Pulmonary circulation, heart left and right arrow lungs. Systemic circulation, heart left and right arrow body. Blood pressure. Systolic 120 mmHg. Diastolic 80 mmHg. Measured using sphygmomanometer. Clotting of blood. Prevents loss of blood from cuts. Platelets release substances to form fibrin. Fibrin forms a clot, scab, on wounds. Immunity. WBCs provide natural defense against bacteria, viruses, pathogens. Vaccines help improve immunity. Diseases related to blood. Anemia, low hemoglobin. Leukemia, cancer of WBCs. Hemophilia, blood does not clot properly. Thrombosis, excess blood clotting. Blood donation. Safe and painless. Only donated by healthy individuals above 18 years. One donation can save 3 lives. Important points, exam friendly. Blood is a connective tissue. RBCs contain hemoglobin. WBCs fight infections. Platelets help in clotting. Plasma transports chemicals. Universal donor, O. Universal recipient, UB. Thank you for watching. For more, subscribe to our channel. Subscribe now. Thank you.